Hello, good evening students. Let us see the chlorosulfonation reaction of alkanes students. So dear student, how can you be able to understand the chlorosulfonation? Means chlorosulfonation means that is halogenation along with the sulfonation, both the things are happening together. So dear students, suppose I am taking that is RH. This is what RH means, what student? Alkane. Okay, this I am saying that is this is alkane. Okay, you can see this, you can take like that CH3H also. Together we are taking that is Cl and that is SO2 we are taking students. So what is happening here, that is minus HCl is getting out at higher temperature. So it is minus HCl, right? So what other things are being formed student are SO2, okay, Cl, or SO2 Cl. So that is what the compound is, what is alkyl sulfonyl chloride, alkyl sulfonyl chloride. Okay, this is what is the required product student, alkyl sulfonyl. Similarly, you can treat with this compound, that is this is nothing but it is student methane. And if you are treating methane with the chlorine plus SO2, so what is that is here is the HCl is getting out at higher temperature student. I know in the form of this is replacing. So what the compound it is forming student, CH3, okay, SO2 and that is Cl. So methyl, this is what is known as methyl sulfonyl chloride, methyl sulfonyl chloride. This is our required product. Now students, the most important things which you have to understand is the reaction of this, okay, mechanism, reaction mechanism we have to understand. So how can you be able to understand the reaction mechanism of this? So let us have look over this, the reaction mechanism of the chlorosulfonation of alkane. So let us have a look students, that is mechanism. Okay, so mechanism is there, mechanism of chlorosulfonation, okay. So chlorosulfonation, I already told you student, these are the substitution reaction, and since it is substitution reaction, so in alkane the substitution reaction are that free radical substitution reaction student. So that is in the free radical substitution reaction, this generally is involved into 3 steps. Okay, so firstly I am writing it undergoes, okay, it undergoes what kind of reaction student? It undergoes that is free radical substitution reaction, free radical, okay, free radical substitution mechanism, free radical substitution mechanism, right? So if you talk about free radical substitution and completed into 3 steps, and completed how many steps student? Completed into 3 steps. So what are the 3 steps dear student? You have to keep in mind step number 1. Let us have a look over step number 1. So step number 1 is what student? Formation of formation of free radical, formation of what student? Free radical. So how free radical is getting formed students? Here you see we are having the Cl2. Okay, so what is happening if the ultraviolet light is falling or you are heating, student, heat you are giving, so what is it is forming? That is chlorine free radical it will form. These are the free electron is there student, chlorine free radical. So dear students, if you see how chlorine free radical, because both are having the same electronegativity, so it is going what kind of fission student? Homolytic fission, and each chlorine atom, okay, acquire the free electron, one electron students. Now step number 2, we are going to attack of free radical, okay, step number 2. So this is also known as chain propagation. This step is chain propagation. So how the chain propagation will be there student? That is also known as attack of free radical. That also you can read student, attack of free radical on alkane. So dear students, how can you be able to understand? Here you see we are having that is methane are there student, methane here, and we know that is the electronegativity of the hydrogen and carbon is almost same, so that it's also undergoes homolytic fission, student. Okay, so these two electron, it is also going homolytic fission. So this electron will be here, this electron will be here. So you see, students, how the compound is getting formed in this step, student. So firstly it is forming, that is CH3, CH3 methyl free radical, and it will form, that is HCl is also getting formed, right, student. Now in the next step, student, this methyl free radical getting attack on, because we are propagating the chain. So there, here you see CH3 free radical, it is going to attack on SO2. Okay, now students, if you talk about the sulfur, you see, students, in the sulfur, how many valence electron are there? That is very important. Okay, so sulfur belongs to oxygen family, students. Sulfur belongs to oxygen family, and that is having the 6 valence electron. So if you are having SO2 molecule, sulfur is what, 16. So it is having 2, 8, 6. 6 electron is there, dear students. So if you are doing the diagram, sulfur is here. So that is 2 electron is being forming the here double bond. Again 2 electron is here is forming the double bond, and here is the lone pair electron. So means 2 lone pair electrons are there. Okay, here. So 1 lone pair electron here, student, and 1 dot here, it is combining, and 1 will be here on the sulfur. So what it will give, student? What it is going to give? It is going to give R, SO2 and dot. That is, again it is giving the free radical, student, not the product. So R, SO2 dot you got, student. Now dear students, what we are going to understand in this steps, next step, that is last step is there, chain termination step. Okay, and in that step only the product will form. So let us have a look over in the last step. On the last step, student, is step number third. Step number third is what, student? Chain termination step. Okay, so dear student, how can you be able to understand chain termination step? Here is CH3 free radical. Okay, here is this RSO2 is there, student. RSO2. This is RSO2, this is free radical. In the first step, it is the chloride also formed, student. That is chlorine free radical. It is combining, student, and it is giving what, student? It is giving RSO2Cl. Right, student? So it is RSO2Cl means what is, student? R. If you are taking R here, student, this is the methyl group here, na? This is the methyl group. So here also we can put out to be the methyl group, and this is also that is what is, student? Methyl group. So what is name, student? Okay, this name is methyl sulfonyl, methyl sulfonyl chloride. This is what is known as, student, methyl sulfonyl, okay, chloride. Okay, methyl sulfonyl chloride. So this is all about the reaction mechanism, student. In the total reaction involved the 3 steps. In the first step, we see that is the free radical is forming. In the second step, that is the attack of free radical or the chain propagation we see, and third step we are setting the chain termination. If you are saying that is again Cl free radical and Cl free radical combining, it will give that is Cl2. So this is not important. This is our product is important. I hope this must be easy to understand, student. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe the channel, and also share among your students, friend circle, so that it can be helpful to other students also. Thank you, friends.